Can you see who has visited your Roblox profile? In this tutorial, we are going to find out exactly that. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, we're going to see if it is possible for you to see if someone has viewed your Roblox profile. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your browser and search for roblox.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. What usually happens is if someone has visited your profile, it's most likely that they are trying to send you a friend request. And you can find out if they have visited your profile or not by checking your friend requests. So click on this hamburger menu and from here head over to messages. You will find your inbox right here and the messages sent by your friends. Now similarly, if you head over to the friends tab, you will see a list of all of your friends. And if you have any incoming requests, you can find it on this tab right here. And if someone has visited your profile to send you a request and they have sent a request, it will be shown right here. And that means that that person has visited your profile, but there is no current option to know if someone has only visited your profile and not sent you a friend request. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.